Let's avoid the talk and get to work. So do not miss any steps. In the first step, open settings. After that, select Bluetooth. Now enable Bluetooth. In the next step, open settings. After that, select general. Now choose game controller. In the next step, activate pairing mode on the controller. Now wait for it to show up. Now tap it to pair. In the next step, accept the pairing request. After, ensure the buttons work. After that, try it in a game or app. In the next step, open settings, then select game controller. Now modify button layout if necessary. You are good to go.